Take a little look at some odds and ends that I grabbed lately. The long gone red line. Of course, it's not a true red line, but looks pretty cool. Matchbox commemorative edition. Collect all 24. I have a total of 1. 40th anniversary. 69 Cadillac DeVille. Not a bad looking vehicle. Here's some other Matchbox. Well, this one got turned around on the box, but the old bus. Can't even see it. These boxes aren't open, so you know, I don't want to crack the blister. It very easily cracks when you're trying to open them. Another van. There's a collection card inside. Yeah, Ford Transit card in there, I can see. Yeah. Okay. And a couple of lorries. Fresh Food Company. And the Michelin. Okay. And just a few more. Once again, this is going to be a pretty short video. I grabbed these Majorettes when I was in Europe, and I thought they looked pretty cool. All of them. Look at that. The Airstream and a VW van. That is definitely cool. I must have got this in Dubai by the looks of, well, AED is the dirham, so yeah, this was bought in Dubai. Okay, I thought I bought it in Europe, but still, very nice piece. I believe these came from Europe, though. You see that? Yeah, all these came from Europe. Sort of the trams. What's on the back of this? No, there's nothing really on the back. Another tram. So we got the 2 trams. And then we have the city bus, the accordion city bus by Majorette as well. Oh, here's another Matchbox as well. Coca-Cola van from Matchbox. Oh, actually I have 3 Coca-Colas. There's a couple more Coca-Cola things here. Majorettes are definitely the ones that are tickling my fancy, that's for sure. Those are awesome. It's getting a little yellow. It's probably time to crack that one open. At any rate, that's what I got. Once again, too cool, these ones. Love the Majorettes, and I like the extended size of some of these. Not too easy to put on shelves or anything, but man, they are cool items to grab when you get a chance.